Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get more subscribers on YouTube quickly and try to get those first 100 subs if you just started a new YouTube channel, right? And so there's plenty of strategies out there, and this one's going to be basically playing off of your current videos that you're creating and how to utilize your video in order to get more subscribers to it, right? So what you're going to do first and foremost is you don't want to wait until the very end of the video. So if you wait till the very end of the video, there's only going to be a very small amount of viewers that watch that content, that piece of content or that video, and they're only going to make it to the end. And so if you ask them, hey, check out my next content, my next video is going to be on XYZ. And if you'd like to see that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. If you do that at the very end of the video, say your video is 5 minutes long and you wait until the fourth or 4.5 minutes to do that, then you're going to be missing out on the largest amount of your viewership, right? So the largest amount of your viewership is going to be hold on for probably 50% or less of your video. And that's just the facts. That's just what happens. It doesn't matter how good your YouTube channel is. It's generally a 50% or less retention rate, right? So that's how long people stay on your video to watch it, right? And a lot of people are just not going to stick around. And so what you would want to do in this strategy, right, is you want to speak to the largest audience by asking people to subscribe during the first 10 seconds, or it could be 20 or 30 seconds, but just make sure it's in the first part of your video that you're going to ask them to subscribe. Now, another strategy that you can use in order to get more people to subscribe that goes along with this and coordinates with it is that you want to tell them about something that they might miss, right? You want to put the advantage in them. You don't want to be asking them to please help me out and subscribe to my channel. People aren't on YouTube to help you out. They're there to learn and either be entertained or educated, right? Those are the two main reasons why people watch YouTube. And so they want to either be entertained or they want to learn something. So in that case, you want to offer that value and let them know that, hey, my next video is about this topic. So if you don't want to miss it, you don't want to miss this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And so that can really work in order to push more subscribers to your YouTube channel. And some of the things that you can do is if you get ahead on your content schedule and you actually have the next topics that you're going to be creating videos for, right, then you would want to introduce to them that, here is what my next video is going to be about. Like for example, for me, it would be, if you want my next YouTube tips tutorial video, then go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to be talking about XYZ. So you introduce that topic to them and they're like, oh, wow. So he's teaching me how to, that I need to be asking people to subscribe in the first part of the video. And then his next video is going to be about, how to do keyword research for YouTube videos so I can get a long list of YouTube topics for my channel. So this one is a short tip video for YouTube. I don't want to keep these too long. I want you to be able to watch as long as you can in order to get the valuable piece of content in the shortest amount of time. I don't want these to go on for 10, 15 minutes, right? So that is it. That's the quick tip for today. So, I will be doing YouTube strategy videos like this every Wednesday, right? If you're seeing this in your inbox. But if you want to see my next one, then you can subscribe so you don't miss out on that one, right? So thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you in my next video.